Clever storage ideas for a small cafe. If you run a small cafe, you already know this truth. Storage problems don't show up on day one. They show up when business gets real. At first, everything feels fine. A few cups, some beans, a grinder, a fridge. Then suddenly, you're stacking boxes under tables, hiding supplies behind the counter, and wondering why your cafe feels cluttered, even though it's tiny. So today, let's talk about clever storage ideas for a small cafe. Not fancy, not expensive, but realistic solutions that actually work in daily operations. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Design SK Studio channel, where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Please subscribe, like and share so other people with the same interest as you can get benefits from this presentation video. Thank you. Let's start the discussion about clever storage for small cafes. The real storage problem in small cafes. Here's the thing most people miss. Small cafes don't fail because they lack space. They fail because storage wasn't planned as part of the workflow. When storage is poorly planned, staff walk more than they need to, counters get messy, prep feels stressful. Customers sense the chaos, even if they can't explain it. Good storage doesn't just hide things. Good storage reduces movement, saves time, and protects your staff's energy. Idea number 1. Use vertical space like you mean it. Walls are often treated like decoration zones, but in a small cafe, walls are gold. Think, tall shelving that goes close to the ceiling. Frequently used items at eye level, rarely used stock up high. This keeps your floor area clean while doubling your storage capacity. And here's the trick. Keep the visual weight light. Open shelves, slim brackets, consistent containers. Storage should feel intentional, not improvised. Idea number 2. Under-counter storage is your best friend. Under-counter space is often wasted or badly organized. Instead of random boxes, use pull-out drawers. Narrow vertical dividers for trays. Dedicated zones for cups, lids, tools. When everything has a specific place, staff stop searching, and searching costs time. A clean counter also makes your cafe feel larger than it actually is. Idea number 3. Storage that moves with the workflow. One big mistake is separating storage from action. If milk is used at the espresso machine, store it there. If cups are used at the register, store them there. Sounds obvious, but many cafes don't do this. Clever storage follows the movement of the barista, not the floor plan. Less walking means faster service and less fatigue. Idea number 4. Hidden storage that customers never notice. Not everything needs to be visible. Some of the smartest cafes hide storage in bench seating, under window ledges, behind panel doors that look decorative. Customers feel a calm, uncluttered space, while you gain serious capacity behind the scenes. Invisible storage is especially important in cafes that want a cozy, relaxed atmosphere. Idea number 5. Daily use versus weekly use storage. This one changes everything. Divide storage into daily use items, cups, beans, milk, tools, weekly or bulk items, extra stock, supplies. Daily use storage should be within arm's reach. Bulk storage can be further away or higher up. When these get mixed, clutter becomes unavoidable. Why clever storage is a business strategy. Here's the part many owners overlook. Better storage means faster service, happier staff, fewer mistakes, less visual stress for customers. You're not just organizing things. You're designing efficiency, comfort, and consistency. And in a small cafe, those details decide whether a place feels professional or chaotic. To summarize our discussion, here is the list for clever storage for small cafes. 1. Vertical wall storage. Wall-mounted shelves for cups, jars, syrups and dry goods. Magnetic knife strips for utensils. Pegboards for tools, towels and small equipment. Hanging rails with hooks for mugs or pans. Why it works. It frees up counter space and keeps essentials within reach. 2. Under-counter and hidden storage. Pull-out drawers under counters, the drawers under cabinets, under-seat storage if you have benches. Why it works. You reclaim dead space without cluttering the cafe. 3. Mobile storage. Rolling carts for prep, condiments, or cleaning supplies. Slim, rolling shelves that fit between appliances. Why it works. You can move storage to wherever it's needed during busy hours. 4. Overhead storage. Ceiling-mounted pot racks, hanging shelves above prep stations, over fridge shelving. Why it works? Perfect for items you use often but don't need on the counter. 5. Multi-purpose furniture. Tables with built-in shelving, storage ottomans for seating, fold-down wall tables with hidden compartments. Why it works. Every piece of furniture earns its keep. 6. Back-of-door storage. Spice racks or bottle racks on pantry doors. Over-counter organizers for coffee cups. Why it works. It's a tiny space with big potential. 7. Stackable containers and modular bins. Clear jars for ingredients, stackable crates for produce. Airtight containers that nest when empty. Why it works. Keeps inventory tidy and easy to track. 8. Repurposed items. Wine racks for storing cups or bottles. Bookshelves as display storage. Old ladders as hanging racks. Why it works. Adds charm and saves money. Now, here is the final thought. Clever storage isn't about buying more cabinets. It's about understanding how your cafe actually works, day after day. When storage supports movement, not just appearance, small cafes stop feeling small. They start feeling smart. If you find benefits from this video presentation, please subscribe, like and share to help this channel grow and help other people who have the same interest as you. Thank you, and see you in the next Design Tutorials educational videos.